Hey everyone, welcome to Timothy's Toy Therapy. Today I have been working on the garage. It is obviously getting dark now, as you can see, but I just wanted to get some stuff done. So I've been doing it for about 4 hours, just slowly. The lighting in here is terrible, by the way. Slowly trying to get stuff moved around. So yeah, what we got behind me here is the workstation. It consists of 2 tables, painting and building, crafting things. And then over here is my bike. And then in front of me, which is now behind me, is the mirror for when I decide to try and start working out. But I've got on my foam board over here, and I don't know what I'm putting on the shelf yet. We're about to go into summer, so it might get a bit tricky. Egg cartons here. And then this is a table. Ooh. This is a table here that I can't find the screws to the legs. So I've put it on top of another table, which the chipboard is being exposed to some rain, I guess, water. So it's all bumpy. So I put that on top because this one is hardwood. So I'll be using that as a level. And then I've got my foam on top of it and my cutting board, and then another bit of foam that I'm working on, or was working on. I've done a few other things. And then over here, it's our dining table here. And then on top of it, I've got another tabletop that is chipboard, and it's actually really bad. The damage, as you can see here. But this one's mainly going to be for my painting. So I've got my easel on top, and then sit here and spin around and paint and probably draw or whatever I decide to do out here. I've got my little space inside as well still, because we're moving into summer. It's going to be hot. That is a tin roof above me. So I don't think I'm going to enjoy that, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I would love to do stuff to this space, but we're renting at the moment, so that's not really likely to happen. But one thing I am going to do is cover up this awful floor with some foam tiles, I guess is what, foam flooring. Just seeing who's driving up. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do that because I want to exercise in here and do all this other stuff. And I need another light. That light is not good enough. So that's the plan. And I'm slowly moving stuff in here. And hopefully it will all look really awesome when it's ready, and I'll be doing stuff in here. And I'll have more space, and we'll have more space inside because all my crafty stuff will be outside. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but hopefully it will go well, because it's getting a bit too much inside at the moment. And there's stairs to the house, so I can run up and down stairs. I'll be doing stairs every now and then. But yeah, and I'll have space to do stuff. It does get really dusty in here. That is one problem I have. So I don't know what to do, how to solve that. And noisy, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, that's all. That's an update from me. Bye bye, everyone.